What's your name?
I'm Madeline. Nice to meet you. I hope you come back.
What's your name?
I'm Madeline. Nice to meet you. I'd like to come in tonight. So why did you decide to come in tonight?
I'm trying to fix my mind.
You lost a child, Howard. It'll never be fixed.
He believed me. Howard. He believed me.
Hey, excuse me. No, don't touch that.
That's absurd. That's absurd. That's absurd.
What are you doing here? Hi. What are you doing here?
What do you want? Why are you here?
I did trust you. And you betrayed me. I saw you every day in her eyes. She called me daddy, and I heard you in her voice when she laughed, and I felt you inside of me when she called me daddy. You broke my heart.
We're here to give you a chance to explain this.
You hired people to follow me? I promise you, as long as I am here, your family will be cared for. You've been crying.
Are you losing somebody?
I'm sorry.
Who are you losing?
My daughter.